let's dive into a jaw-dropping historical mystery that's guaranteed to leave you in awe. Picture this, the Great Emu War of 1932, a true, bizarre event that sounds too outrageous to be real but absolutely is. Yes, you heard it right. Australia once went to war against emus. Back in 1932, Australian farmers were battling a relentless invasion, not of humans, but of giant, flightless birds devastating their crops. Desperate for a solution, the government decided to take drastic action. They sent soldiers armed with machine guns to fight the emus. But here's the kicker, the emus turned out to be master tacticians. They outmaneuvered the soldiers, evaded gunfire with surprising agility, and made the whole operation look like a comedy of errors. Incredibly, even after firing over 10,000 rounds of ammunition, the soldiers barely made a dent in the emu population. It was an overwhelming defeat, and the emus emerged victorious. The soldiers retreated, and the farmers were forced to seek other solutions. Can you believe it? A war lost to birds. What's the most unbelievable event in history that you've heard of? Don't forget to like and hit the bell icon to get more of that.